These types of videos bring very high views.
I've been taught to work with this garbage.
They reach millions of views in a short time.
When I was in the papers, when everybody would talk.
And I want to tell you that you can do all of this with just one click, without any effort, editing, or experience in editing. Continue with me until the end of the video so I can help you create more than 160 short videos in just 10 minutes. Most new channels have achieved very high views without any effort. Only with AI, you can create hundreds of short videos with one click. I know you're watching me now after a long search to make your decision to take this step. But don't worry, my friend. After watching this video, you will make the decision and become one of the biggest channels on YouTube in less than 6 months. I will leave all websites in the description. Let me show you examples of channels like this. Like this channel, it's mostly about one person and how to become a millionaire and think like a millionaire. And I want to tell you, this channel makes from short videos only from $5K to $80K. Also, you have this channel. It talks about sports celebrities and influencers. This channel makes from 14K to 223K. Can you imagine all of this from short videos? And I want to show you a surprise. This channel has only released 11 short videos and has almost reached 10 million views and is making profit on the channel. Ready to make over $10K. Watch the video until the end because I will show you a completely free website that doesn't require you to pay a single dollar. We need first to choose the appropriate niche. Famous athletes niche, influencers niche, wealthy people niche. Of course, we will only be searching for podcasts. Let's choose, for example, Mr. Beast, the famous YouTuber. Have you seen this video?
It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that. All you need to do, this applies to people who have dreams of being.
It has 11 million views. Let's make not just one video like this, but 80 videos at once. We'll write on YouTube, Mr. Beast Podcast. And let's choose this video.
I'm here with Mr. Beast, the brilliant mastermind behind some of the most popular videos.
We'll download it using a download manager in full quality. Write in Google app.video.ai. The free plan allows you to upload a video for up to 75 minutes. But our video is 2 hours and 20 minutes long, so we need to split our video to make 2 videos, each 75 minutes long. This way, we can make more than 80 short videos from just one podcast. We'll use any free editing software to split the video and make each video 75 minutes long. I'm using Premiere Pro. We'll upload the first one, which is 75 minutes long. We'll give it enough time until it finishes. Okay, let me tell you about the strategy that will help you achieve 10K in the shortest possible time until it's done. To reach the first 10 million views on YouTube, you need to upload 2 videos every day, even if they are from different people but belong to the same niche. What does that mean? It means that if we talk about Mr. Beast, we need to talk about well-known YouTubers like Mr. Beast. Get podcast videos from KSI or Mini Minter and upload them to your channel.
Oh, come on!
So, if you upload 2 videos every day for 2 months, I assure you that from video 1 to 5 videos, they will go viral and achieve the first 10 million views.
Come on, man.
Finally, it's done. Sorry guys. We press on review clips. We made 39 short videos from the first 75 minutes of the podcast, and the second video will be around 39, 40, and thus we made 80 short videos with just one click. I think this is the easiest correct way, right? I'll show you how to easily edit the video and choose the style we like. We click on Edit, Download Video. From here, we choose the style we like to appear on the screen. All of this is free. Edit each video and choose a style and what you want to do.
I don't see how, in my lifetime, the life expectancy.
Here, the video is not right with the presenter. How do we fix it?
Tell me!
We go to the left and press Cut Magic. And that solves the problem. And here is the result.
I don't see how, in my lifetime, the life expectancy doesn't just expand.
Well, it also could be that the immortality is achieved in the digital realm.
To download it, go to the right corner and press Download Video.
I'll tell you a secret.
I'll show you the way that makes all your videos go viral. We will open any editing software you are familiar with. We will add music. We will cut silence from the video if they exist. We need to add icons with the text to make it look more professional. I'll get you a free website where you can get animated icons. The website is lottifiles.com. It provides you with animated icons without the need for any animation experience. And if you want to add free videos that express the text more, the website is mixkit.co. It allows you to get free videos with over 4,200 videos available. Then we will visit vlipsy.com, a website where you can find enjoyable clips from all movies to make the video entertaining and amusing.
Nice.
He got cooked. Adrian, you didn't go down like that, huh? He got cooked.
Oh my god.
And Giphy.com is also a good website. It's better if you explore it yourself. Let's go back to our video. We added the icons and some videos with the text. And that's it.
I don't know if I told you this, but I'm kind of hopeful that someone like Elon or one of these like freak smart people will just like be like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna figure out a way where we can slow down aging, get it where, you know, we can live to be 200-300 years old and just like set their sights on that and then just kind of save us. So it'd be really nice. Like it's almost absurd to think that in our lifetime, they won't figure out a way to just even slightly slow down aging.
I made a trending video very easily. Where are you going? We haven't finished yet. We need to know how to upload them and when. Let me explain it to you. So now we have 80 short videos in 40 days. You will need to bring another famous YouTuber like I explained to you and follow the steps we have already done. And after that, you will have at least 160 videos. Within 40 days, you can upload 4 different videos. You will release a video at night and a video during the day. The best times during the day are from 4 to 6 p.m. The nighttime hours are from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Most successful YouTubers agree on these times.
Wait.
I haven't finished yet. We need to create another channel, following the same steps, but with a focus on podcasts for businessmen and the wealthy. This type of content spreads quickly. By doing this, you will have more than 300 videos. Consistently upload over the course of 2 months without stopping. I guarantee that you will reach these numbers in no time. So we have reached the end of the video. Don't forget, if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and tell me your opinion in the comments. Did you benefit from it or not? I apologize if it wasn't helpful, and I will try to make the next video more informative for you. See you in the next video!